Guys, welcome back. Have you encountered a malfunction on your hard drive that causes data losses? Don't worry. We have prepared 3 effective solutions to save your data, no matter if it's an SSD or HDD. To recover data from your damaged hard drive, you can turn to the recycle bin. It's one of the easiest ways to master, so make sure you check them out first. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the recycle bin from your desktop. Step 2. Find the data you want to retrieve in the recycle bin and right-click on it. Choose Restore from the newly appeared options. Step 3. You can also click and drag the files you want to recover in the recycle bin to a new location. Aside from the method above, you can also recover data from a damaged hard drive from a backup if you had made one before it was damaged or lost. Step 1. Right-click the folder or the disk where you deleted your files and choose Restore Previous Versions. Step 2. Select a time version. Next, click the arrow on the right side of the Open button and select Open in File History. Step 3. After that, choose the file you want to restore and click the green button. Now, this is the file you deleted before. If you cleared the recycle bin or didn't back up your data before you damaged your hard drive, you can consider using this ultimate solution. Step 1. The interface of IcySoft Data Recovery shows 2 modes: hard drive recovery and USB card recovery. Choose the first one and select the disk from which you want to recover data on the right. Step 2. Click the Start Scan button to scan all lost data on this damaged hard drive. Step 3. After scanning, all files will be displayed in the interface. The filter function helps you find the data you lost. After you choose all the files you want to restore, one simple click on the Recover button will bring all the missing data to you. With this powerful hard drive data recovery tool, you can effortlessly recover data from damaged hard drives. No matter what kinds of data you want to recover, such as images, documents, audio, videos, emails, etc., you will always find a solution in IcySoft Data Recovery. Alright, that's all for our video today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to check out the IcySoft Data Recovery download link below. See you next time.